I know why you have invited me here. It's because of the rumor going around the village and the gossip that has made the maidens to stay away from me, believing that I am a killer. Do you also believe that I am guilty?
My name is Africa.
The ancient fan that blows evil away. I know you did not kill your father.
And my invitation has nothing to do with that.
Really? So if the ancient fan knows that I am not guilty, why then didn't you tell the king when he summoned you to his palace?
I know. Okongu is not my close friend. But I still recognize him as a noble man.
Of Obodetiti. I didn't think he would tell you about the visit to the palace.
He did not tell me about the visit to the palace. I can't understand how I get to know about certain things. Let's just say that I know things that certain people don't. If you have not invited me here about the allegation, why then have you asked to see me here?
Because I know you are a unique daughter of Obodetiti. I call you here for us to talk. Please sit down.
Speak then, wise one. I am listening.
For reasons best known to me, I will offer you kola.
Do not bother offering me kola nut, wise one. Just tell me why you have invited me here.
The news is spreading that she was the one that killed her father. Many maidens now fear her because they believe she can kill. I just want to confirm from my father if she's guilty.
My daughter.
Papa.
She is not bothered about what people are saying against her. I'm happy you are not thinking like them.
No, Papa.
Go and get me something to eat.
Okay, Papa.
Nobody listens to me. I see things that people around me do not see. I feel them as if it's happening right beside me. As a child, I used to tell my mother, but then she always dismissed it as childish fantasies.
What and what do you usually say?
Lots of things. Things I can't even talk about. But the most vivid of them all is that of my brother. I still see it clearly. Very clearly. I still see it clearly. He died out of their recklessness. He died because they refused to listen to the girl child. That girl child is me.
What happened to him?
He was supposed to go and see my mother's brother who lives across the Ngede River. As I woke up, I saw him preparing to leave. And it came to me, clear. I saw it. I saw his blood floating on the Ngede River.
Who did you tell? Your mother or who?
My mother. I told my mother. I told her I saw danger. I begged her not to leave. But she asked me not to say such things and said I was only worried about letting my brother go because I was fond of him. As I watched him leave that fateful day, I knew I would never see him again. And I never did. As the boat they were traveling in capsized and the sea animals feasted on their bodies.
What a tragedy. Very sad indeed.
Then I stopped talking. I suppressed the urge to speak. Partly because I was afraid no one would believe me, and mostly because I was scared that whatever I said would come through. But whether I say them or not, it did come true.
Nwakaego, I am trying to reconcile your present narration with what actually happened to your father. Can you please throw more light to it?
I could force my mouth shut when it concerns strangers, but not with those close to me. I do not want to speak about my father's death, else it will bring back all the pains. But I did warn him. I pleaded with him not to go. I told him that day was not for famine. I begged him in front of his brother, Ichie Okongo. I am in shock, now that Ichie has turned around to lead this evil campaign against me. I don't understand.
I am not going to ask you if you love my brother, because I know for sure that you love him very much. I'm only here to ask you for a favor. Please bear with him.
Do I have a choice? My biggest problem is that nobody can even come for me. A maiden who is known as devoted to the prince. I just pray he will overcome this his negligence and do what he's supposed to do.
He will. He will. It's just that there seems to be a certain quality my brother is seeking for in a woman.
My princess, don't see it as if I'm boasting, but I sure have all the qualities he needs in a wife. Just look at me now, my princess. I sure have all the quality. Why is he turning me down? Why?
Masinachi why marama. I am not here to make you feel bad. My brother is just going through youthful exuberance. But I believe he will get over it soon. And he will do the right thing.
My princess, I don't know how to thank you. Your words just strengthened me. I am so happy. Thank you. Thank you for everything. I appreciate.
You're always welcome. Who else will he choose if not you?
I don't know.
You are one of the men I respect in this land because you have never deceived anybody. Are you going to deceive him?
Why should I? You have just confirmed that it is not in my habit to deceive someone. Why should I now nurse the thought to deceive someone with this gift of the third eye? Why? Okay, let me tell you the truth. He tried to impose himself on the king, but the king stood his ground.
He thinks he's a strong king, but he is weak. His son will do better than him as king.
It's not weak. He is only compassionate.
Compassionate. That is the word. He is willing to do anything for Okongo because they are childhood friends. Is that not what the word compassionate means?
Anyway, I thank you for coming here. I thank you for this fruitful discussion we've had. Do not bother yourself. I know what to do. I know what to do.
I can see that your closeness with that evil maiden is turning you into something else. If you don't want me to kill you myself, then you better learn to behave yourself.
Father, you are getting it all wrong. Nwakaego is not an evil maiden, and you know it.
Why do you want to make me go angry? She's not evil and she killed her own father!
Oh, she did not kill her father. He was killed by the venom of an evil cobra. We all know how she warned him not to go out that night, but he refused. Why are you blaming her?
Now leave my presence.
She is a daughter of this family. And it is our duty to protect her from those who seek to destroy her.
I said leave my presence. Leave my presence!
I am very angry at you, right? You mean at this hour of the night, a maiden like you was going round the kingdom, gathering information on how to destroy a fellow maiden? Obioma, this is not right.
Ebere, this is not about me. This is about security. Maidens are so scared of her because they believe she has a portion of dirt in her mouth.
Oh, sincerely, this is why you call. Obioma, so you are now picking on a member of my own family. Obioma, if I face you in this land, can you stand me?
Ebere, you're sure misunderstanding me. And I don't think I should still stand here listening to you. Go ahead. Go on and twist my humble submission to you anyhow you like it. But one thing you must know is that Obioma is not scared of anyone, not even you. Excuse me.
Don't worry. I know where to get you.
Your sister has made a case against you, and you are now before the king.
I wonder why you're not telling anything tangible to defend yourself.
I don't know what you mean by I'm not saying anything tangible to defend myself, Father. Masinachi is not my type of woman. I can't see her in my future.
This is what he has been saying, Father. Then ask him the type of woman he sees in his future. He will have no answer for you.
Your mother was a very wise woman. I trusted her with the task of choosing a wife for you. And she did a perfect job of that.
Mother didn't make a mistake. That's not what I'm saying. Masinachi is a good woman, but she can't just be my wife. She can't.
This royal family is known for so many good qualities, and one of them is respect for womanhood. Listen, if there is something you don't like about him, I expect you to handle that situation in a more reasonable way.
That's what I've done. I did that. I tried talking to her.
In a way that led her to tears. Listen, my son. Your mother and I have examined that woman. And I tell you the truth, there are not so many women like her out there. If you miss her, I wonder what you will get.
Oh, your thoughts, Father, your thoughts. I know what I want in a woman, and I'll surely say it. I'll say it.
Why are you looking at me like a stranger?
Because you have never visited my home before. So I'm wondering.
Do not pretend like you do not know why. Where is he?
It's really getting funny. Who is the he that you're looking for or talking about?
Is he. Can you deny it?
You came here to look for Onyeka. Are you sure you're still alright? Why didn't you go to his house to look for him if you want to see him?
You know the way his mother is. The last time I went there, she almost cut off my 2 legs. She continues to treat me as if her son is one important man in this.
Because that is what he is to you. A very important one at that. The one that gives you sleepless night. If not, you won't be here looking for him. Anyway, if you really want to see Onyeka, you better hurry down towards Uwunkwo. He told me he was going to Agoku. Pretending as if she doesn't even love him. Women and pretense.
That's the word. Pretense. Only problem.
Cut down on the pretense, and the cloak covering that interest shall surely dissolve. Shall surely dissolve.
Please, at least, you can't leave like that. Just sit down. It's the first time you visit my house. It will be my honor to have you sit, please.
Deal with it. Interest. Deal with it.
See, I don't like this. I don't like this, and you know it. I don't like this.
Have I done something wrong? Please tell me.
I don't like both of us walking side by side like this. I don't like it.
Oh, not to worry. I should have said that a long time ago. Are you okay with this? Don't worry, you wouldn't even know I'm here. I would just follow you quietly to Agogo. Please.
You would have told me that the witchcraft runs in your family.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Who told you I was going to Agogo?
Onyeka, you keep pretending that you do not love me. I love you, and that's why I ask questions about you. Don't worry, I'll just be quiet. Is something wrong if we go to Agogo together? Come on, let's go now, please. I'm waiting for you, I'm walking.
Ebere, if you continue like this, he will begin to see you as a desperate fool who does not deserve to be taken seriously.
I just want you to know that the same way Bawaye is going crazy about you, it's the same way I am going crazy about him.
And that is my problem, Ebere. You're a woman. I do not know of other lands. But here, in Ebuletiti, men go after women. And not the other way around.
And by that, I should just fold my hands and watch some desperate maidens hijack the man that means the world to me. Nwakaego, please just say something else because I am not going to listen to you. Onyeka is the man for me. And I am going to get him.
Your father was here to beg me. He asked that I leave his daughter alone.
I am not surprised. He wanted me to stay away from you too. Then I tried to explain to him that you are not what they think. But then he ordered me out of his presence.
You must never argue with your father again, Ebere. Or certain things will happen. And there are things that you certainly will not like. Just understand that your father hates me and doesn't want you around me.
And seriously, you think I am going to listen to him? Nwakaego, you're not the only family I have left. I am not going to stay away from you. Simple.
Yes, I know you are. Yes. I know. Papa! Idiot! Why did you stop me from teaching her?
Now I know why they pushed me to follow this path. To prevent an abomination.
Do not jump into conclusions, Ezenwan. There is no abomination in a father wanting to teach his stubborn daughter a lesson. My daughter that has refused to listen to me. I as a father own a duty to teach her some lessons. And that's exactly what you have stopped me from doing. Why do you call it an abomination?
Okongu, it has become an abomination because you are luring her into the path of hatred. Why must a man of Obodetiti lure a maiden of this land to hate an innocent maiden? That is the abomination. You lifting a cane to flog her, and Ada of Obodetiti for no just cause, is an abomination. Be careful.
The voice of silence. Silence has a voice. Voice of silence. Voice of silence. Silence has a voice.
Okay, what do you mean you remained like this? don't even shout, at least to attract the people that would save me.
Maiden whom the gods have sent a priestess to save does not need the help of a common maiden like myself. Why should I shout? Have you ever seen me shouting? Where then is the voice of silence?
Voice of silence. Well, you alone know what that means. But seriously, this is not fun. So had it been Aiden's run, he would have actually flogged me with that cane.
It is good that you ran. Now you have drawn the attention of the priestess to what's actually happening here. It's a plus, not a minus.
Your Highness, it is only a tree that hears of his death as this stands.
I would like to ask for clarification. Who is the tree and who is the clear?
I am surprised at his question, Onyezo. This is not how this meeting is supposed to be.
I'm only asking for clarification.
Don't ask for any clarification. You already know what I am talking about.
Onyeze, I heard an elaborate meeting with that girl, that maiden that was reported evil. Yes, I did.
You did? When? And why didn't you tell me this?
Onyeze, that maiden is not evil. She is just one unique daughter of this land.
Unique?
Yes.
Oh, proclaiming death on people is now unique? Eh?
Akrika is making sense. Akrika is making sense.
Iche, you better stop talking. What sense is he making? Onyeze, I hope you are not going to listen to them.
Okongwa, I know you lived peacefully with Onyeme Lando. But why would you wish to have his only daughter punished?
Onyeze, Nwakaego is like a daughter to me too. But her being around me is unsafe for me. All I ask for is that we do something very fast to ensure that what happened to my brother will not happen to me. Make this pronouncement, Your Highness. Not just to a man in this land, but to an old friend who has remained loyal to your crown.
I have investigated that maiden, and I hereby pronounce her innocent. So she must be left alone. But even if she is evil, let the gods do it their own way.
I'm glad you came, considering how your last visit ended.
Your call means everything to me, my prince. Thank you for calling me back.
I don't know how to tell you this.
We are all humans, so we err. I have already forgiven you. We are meant for each other. You are my destiny. No other woman can give you what you need. I am here all for you. No matter what you do, I will always forgive you. Always.
Ma, you're surely running too fast. That is not what I was going to say. Yes, I am sorry. I'm sorry I treated you bad in the past. Just because
You cannot be happy without me, my prince. The same thing applies to me. We need each other. We are each other's destiny. Please, my prince, please. Break us. Don't break us.
I wish I could see things the way you see them. I don't. I don't. I like you. You're a good woman. But it can't just work. Come on. Try and understand. Try and understand.
You did it again, Okalese. You did it again, Okalese. Very bad. Very bad of you.
I tried to make her understand. And I'm sure she did. It's all over.
You just turned down the love of a gracious woman. Mother will be turning her grave right now. And do not forget to let me know when you find that woman that you see in your future.
I'm wondering what you're doing here.
You know that when one's soul is buried at a place, he always finds himself going to the same place all the time.
So directly, you are telling me that your soul is buried here? Interesting. So tell me, where is the grave so I may dig it out?
Of all the maidens in this village, Nwakaego, of all the maidens around here, you're the only one that is dear to me. I love you unconditionally, and I'm ready to do anything to make you mine.
A fool's paradise. That is where you live, my dear. For as long as I see you and I sense the pretense, you will never get the best of me.
Please, tell me, what part of me do you not like? What in me puts you off? Tell me and consider it done. I will change. Please.
A soul. I need to salvage a soul from death. That mission is more important to me right now.
Voice of silence. Silence has a voice. It has a golden voice. Voice of silence. Voice of silence. Silence has a voice. It has a golden voice. Nwakaego ekwu. Nwakaego abayimba. Nwakaego abayoso.
She loves me, yet she doesn't want to open up to me. Pretense. Pretense.
The voice of silence. Silence has a voice. The voice of silence.
The great man that walks in a hurry. You are in a hurry.
And that's the more reason you should hurry up to say whatever thing you wish to say.
Why hurry to your destruction, my prince?
Are you talking to me?
We cannot save all, for many have been destined to meet their end that way. But you, Prince Okalicia of Obodo Etiti, is not one of them.
I don't know who you are, or whatever you're driving at. But if you must know, my very good friend is...
Hosting his friends after his return from Utuocha. You are a special guest. Please, do not go, for a violent death awaits you.
Please, who are you?
A maiden of this land, great prince. Please, do not go, for Obodo Etiti still needs your life. Listen to my warnings and go back to your palace.
Voice of silence, voice of silence. Silence has a voice, it has a golden voice. Voice of silence, voice of silence. Silence has a voice, it has a golden voice. Nwakaego kuyoku, Nwakaego baimba, Nwakaego bayoso, ma Nwakaego kube fenine, Nwakaego kuyoku.
You actually followed me? What is it?
Oh. Is it the prince?
Meaning?
I'm wondering why you are avoiding me.
You know, sometimes you speak and it gives me a perception that you do not know me at all. And that, my dear, is not good for you at all.
Listen, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to call this. That I was with you in your house and you abandoned me just to come and have a quick meeting with the prince. In case you do not know, let me inform you. There's already a maiden betrothed to him called Masinachi. So you better come out.
You know what, Bawanye?
What?
You have consistently called me your love. And you do not even know me at all. Stop the lecture and go and take care of your business. I mean, go about the affairs of your life. And stop monitoring a maiden who needs not be monitored.
I don't get this. What else am I supposed to do to make her understand me?
Yes, my neighbor said you insisted I see you immediately I get back.
Yes, it is the reason why I sent for you. You brought him here 2 days ago, and I think I need your help. I need your help. Please.
You are a great healer, Mazi. I do not see how or why you will need my help.
I know. I have given him all the helps that could take him up. But he's not responding to any of them. So I decided to call you and see if there's any assistance you can offer.
My name is Utumeliwa, a woman of Oroma Etiti, married to a great man of Obodo Etiti. I've lived with him for 3 years, yet to conceive, even once. I've consulted Isi Denu, the great seer of Ifite. He confirmed that I cannot conceive, that my womb has been tied by the strange woman my father married after the death of my mother. And I don't have what it takes to confront a strange woman. I have come for you to help me. Please, help me. I came for deliverance, please. I brought to you gifts, beads for great men. Please have mercy upon me and give me a child. Please, I plead.
I know nothing is hidden from your eyes. What will I do to make him rise again?
He can be saved, but he has done nothing wrong. She's holding him because she wants him.
Who is the she that is holding him?
His mother, a beautiful woman, Moroma Ititi, begged the gods and goddesses at Onungede River to give her a son. The gods and goddesses removed the curse placed on her by a strange woman. As she conceived and bore this man, he wants to marry, and Obale wants to be with him before he marries. He refused. Obale is holding him.
Goddesses and mortals don't mingle together. What do we do to get Oba to free him so that he can marry?
The priests of Obale will know what to do. Go to him, and the young man shall be well again.
Nwakaego, now you know why I sent for you. You have made my job much more easier. Thank you.
My husband is a great warrior, and even his enemies give it to him that he has fought many wars in Anenugu than any other man that lives.
And I wonder why you're telling me that.
That great man, that great warrior of Anenugu is lying sick in his compound, and you men that sit in authority have not done anything to bring him back to his feet. It is quite unacceptable, and I am here to disclose my displeasure.
I'm sorry, woman, but it is very unfair of you to sound this way. We, the men in authority in Anenugu, have done a lot more for Aguba, the greatest of our land. Even though our mercy men have not come out with any solution, but they are making inquiry.
I expect you to send your emissaries to other lands to see if we could have solutions to this ailment. Aguba spent his youth and energy fighting for Anenugu. If you men abandon Aguba to die, his spirit will torment this land forever.
I am not surprised at her boldness. Any woman who has carried the weight of a strong man must have a part of him. We must surely do something for Aguba.
This whole thing is like a mirage to me. So, by now, you would have been dead with those men.
That's all I've been thinking all this while. She came from nowhere and saved my life.
And you who hardly listen to people, finally listen to a stranger. I'm really happy you did.
She called herself a maiden from my land. She knows my name. She called me by my name, my prince. I'm confused of a lot of things.
A lot of things?
Yes.
Like what?
Wish. What does she want from me? Why would she come to save my life? Why?
You already asked me 3 questions and I have no answer for them.
I need to find that maiden. I need to.
You mean you really want to go about searching for a maiden you know nothing about? A maiden you know nothing about her background?
Listen, Nwakaego. You help me on this. You have to. If it was you, I'll do the same thing for you. Don't deny me this. Please. Please.
Nwakaego, ịdị m mma. Nwakaego, nwanyị mara mma. Mgbe ọbụla m bịara nso, ka m gwa gị ka obi m dị. Ị ga-ajụ m, ị ga-arapụ m, ị ga-ekwu okwu na-agbawa m obi. Ọ dị mma, njụba gị ọ dị mma. Kedu ife m ga-eme ka ị bụrụ nke m? Onye ji obi mmadụ ejidego ife niile. O jidego ife niile. Onye ji obi mmadụ ejidego ife niile. Nwakaego, iji obi m. Onye ji obi mmadụ ejidego ife niile. Nwakaego, ịdị m mma. Nwakaego, nwanyị mara mma. Mgbe ọbụla m bịara nso, ka m gwa gị ka obi m dị. Ị ga-ajụ m, ị ga-arapụ m, ị ga-ekwu okwu na-agbawa m obi. Ọ dị mma, onye dị mma, ọ dị mma. Kedu ife m ga-eme ka ị bụrụ nke m? Onye ji obi mmadụ ejidego ife niile. Ị ma na o jidego ife niile. Onye ji obi mmadụ o jidego ife niile.